Nia Long is an American actress, best known for her work in black cinema. Long rose to prominence after starring in the film Boyz and the Hood and for her portrayal of Beullah Lisa Wilkes on the NBC sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. She has received several accolades including 2 NAACP Image Awards and a Black Reel Award. Long was born in Brooklyn to Talita Long, a teacher and printmaker, and Doughtry Long, a high school teacher and poet. Her mother is of Trinidadian descent. She has an older half-sister, the actress and comedian known as Sommore. When Long was 2 years old, her parents divorced. She accompanied her mother, who moved to Beullah, to study fine arts. In July 2020, Long starred in the Netflix psychological thriller Fatal Affair. In 2022, Long starred in the Peacock miniseries The Best Man, the final chapters, once again reprising her role from the previous films. In 2010, Long starred dating then National Basketball Association player Ime Udoka. Together, they have a son born in 2011. Long also has an older son born in 2000 from a previous relationship. Long and Udoka became engaged in 2015, though Long stated she had no plans to marry. Long made a cameo appearance in the video for Kanye West's Touch the Sky. She also directed Yolanda Adams's video for This Too Shall Pass. Long won an NAACP Image Award for Outstanding Actress in a Drama Series in 2004 for her performance on Third Watch.